Hi Frank, this is Alan. I'm here to explain about the Project 2 Solo-pong game. These are the components used and connected in the breadboard. This is a potentiometer. It's used for the control of the paddle movement, and this is the display we are used. This is a SST 1306 128 into 64 I2C version OLED display, and this are the two buttons used. This is the start and pass button, and this is the restart button, and these all the things are programmed to the microcontroller 380.2. And here's the code. This library is installed from the GitHub, and this is the Adafruit SST 1306 here a file library. This is for this OLED display, and these are the button pins are declared, and this button pin is start and pass and reset button pin. And this program is done in the style of state machines with a switch case style. So it's a switch case controls the flow of the program by allowing the users to specify the different codes that should be executed in various conditions. And in switch statement compares the value of the variable where the value is specified in the case statement. So like that. So in the enum states, it's a game start. I've created the 4 states: game start case state, and game run, game pass, and game end. And these are the states as it's declared to the variable current state. So and the potentiometer pin is declared, and the screen size parameters is declared. And so I forgot to mention its x-axis 128 and the y-axis is 64, and length and width of the paddle is also given. I've mentioned that, and the ball movements also I've mentioned, and the ball position, x position, y position, where the ball should start. It starts from 3 and 30. So, and the in score, and if the ball hits a paddle, so I've given like the score should get incremented. These are the attach interrupts. These are the things for the buttons. So these are the things are already used in all the before projects, 2 projects. And this switch condition, and the switch current state and the game start state will display. So it will display the display screen. This is the start screen. If a start button is pressed, it will go to the game run, and we can play the game, and the ball will hit the walls and bouncing back, and it will just bounce, and it will hit the paddle, and you can see the points displayed in the screen. And if the pass button is pressed, and it goes to the pass screen where the game is passed, and it will ask to press the button to continue again. And if the ball misses the paddle, and it will go to the game end state where it display your score, I mean your points, and it will display as game over. And these are the void ISR interrupt service routines used, and for the buttons reset, and for start pass buttons, and these buttons are debounced. So I'll just connect and upload the program. So it's connected, and I'm going to upload the program. It's uploading. Done uploaded. It's coming. So it's uploaded. So I'm pressing the start button. So game starts. Oops. Hitting the paddle. The ball moves up. It's hitting the screen. Moving the paddle. Sitting, goes up. If I press pass button again, the game will pass, and if I press the pass button again, the game will resume where it got paused, and can play the game. It's really interesting. So it's hitting walls, it's coming, and if the ball misses the paddle, and the game is over, and it will display my points. I got 4 points, and press restart button to continue. So this is the restart button I'm pressing, and the game will resume. I mean the game will start from the beginning. Thank you.